magandang umaga, Jumerica. Magandang umaga sa inyo mga inday, mga dudong. Ang oras dito sa Jumerica is 10:30 in the morning na mga inday. And then si Bibi Kano nandun sa kuya niya, day. Nandun sa kuya niya yung si Bibi Kano. Kasi kanina, day, nasa taas kami. And then gustong gusto ni Bibi Kano na papasok sa room ng kuya niya. Kaya yun mga inday, umiiyak si Bibi Kano and then kinuha ng kuya niya, day. So ngayon, day, papaliguan ko si Bibi Kano kasi ano na, day, 10:40 na pala dito, day, malapit na 11 o'clock mga inday. Oh, nagpapakita si Haring Araw kanina, day, sobrang kulimlim sa amin dito, day. Ngayon parang lang, day. Parang lumalabas si Haring Araw kasi minsan di ba, day, yung weather, day, hindi natin alam, day, minsan nagtatago si Haring Araw, lumalabas ngayon, and then pag after 5 minutes, 13 minutes, 30 minutes, nagtatago na naman. So far, day, right now is lumabas si Haring Araw, pero hindi talaga yung araw tirik na tirik talaga, day. Ito yung weather namin. Mahangin siya, day, pero hindi siya malamig. Hindi siya yung bunggahan na malamig. Mga kukunin natin si Bibi Kano. Nandiyan na yung kulit na bata, oh. Tingnan nyo. Yung makulit na bata, paiyak-iyak pa yan kanina, day. Pertika, sipat nga bata ba? Kaya na tikabat na, Asher. Ay, ginoon ko yung bataan, eh. Nakay, pasok na? Sa trabaho? May pasok si kuya sa work. May pasok si kuya. Tara, let's go na. We gonna take a bath na. Tara, dali na, mama. We will go in the bathroom. Naabya. Ito tagahig. Gig ulo ng bataan ni we. Tara, good siya, oh. Ay, pagsika.
Liga na.
Tanawa ya. Tanawa sa gahig ulo si mama.
Come on, Asher.
Halidid na bata.
Come on, here.
Tumanon sa gusto. Dali na. We gonna take a bath na. We go in the bathroom.
Come on, babat na.
So that you're gonna be fresh. Ayaw niya
Babat
talaga,
na
day.
ba?
Ayaw niya talaga. So bagong ko niya akong ilong nag-isngag ani ron. Kukuritin ko itong bata na to, day. Sobrang kulit, day. Babay na. Babay na, kuya. Babay na, kuya.
Babay na.
Padulong na.
Babay na.
Tada! Siya na yung pumasok dito. Dali na. Lock na! We are here in the bathroom. Kuya is here. Asher is here. Mama is here. Dahil papaliguan ko muna itong batang today, ha? Na makulit na batang today. Mga inday, nakaligo na yung bata-batuta natin. At nakabihis na rin mga inday. Ngayon mga inday, binihisan ko lang siya ng short at saka t-shirt. Kasi nga is hindi siya malamig today. What you did? I think tayo inaantok na to mga inday. And then, papatulugin ko na today. Iwan ko ni today eh. I think inaantok na today, papatulugin ko na. And then, baka mag-walking ako today. Tingnan lang natin kasi nagpapakita si Haring Araw mga inday. Hi Grandma B. Hi Grandma, Grandpa. Nakashort lang yung bata natin, Grandma, Grandpa. Mami Linlin, mga tita nako. Nakashort lang atong bata. Gisapot man niya, cry man niya. Iwan ko, inaantok yata to. Ba't kalamit ko si Unday ang paa, day, oh. Yung tiil, day ba? Kalamit ko si Uno. Nangigigil na ako, day. Ay, nakong bata ka. Hello, mga inday. So, ngayon mga inday, magluluto tayo ng pasta para sa lunch ni Bibi Kano. Pero ngayon mga inday, tulog pa si Bibi Kano. So, habang tulog si Bibi Kano mga inday, magluluto ako ng pasta mga inday. Ito na yung, as what I said, lunch ni Bibi Kano mga inday. Takpan natin mga inday. Ito na mga inday, nalagay ko na yung pasta mga inday. And then, papakuluan lang natin ng 7 minutes mga inday. 7 minutes. And then, i-cover natin mga inday. Ayan na, day. Mga inday, luto na yung ating pasta, mga inday. Ilagay natin dito sa plato. Tulog pa din si Bibi Kanu, mga inday. And then, ngayon is, gagawin natin yung sauce niya, mga inday. Lagay natin dito sa kalan. Kalan talaga, day. Dito sa lutuan, day. And then, i-on natin ulit yung ating gas stove. Then mga inday, lagyan natin ng 2 kutsarang butter, mga inday. 2 kutsara lang, day. And then, papatunawin natin. Yan. And then, lagyan natin ng milk, mga inday. 1/4 cup of milk. Yan lang, mga inday. And then, i-mix natin, day. Ipapatunaw muna natin yung, or itunaw muna natin yung butter, mga inday. Yan, day, tunaw na yung butter, mga inday. Lagay natin itong cheese, day. Ouch! Sorry. Ihalo natin, day. Mga inday, luto na yung sauce natin, day. Tingnan nyo. And then, ilagay natin dito. Yung anak ko, mga inday, pupunta na yung trabaho, mga inday. And then, bago yan pumunta, day, mag-bye-bye muna, mag-bye-bye yan sa kapatid niya, day, na bunso, day. Nakashort yung kapatid niya na bunso, kumakain ng pasta. Kain ng pasta. Kuya will go work, Asher. Kuya will go work. Work day. Stay safe, kuya. Nak, bakit nag-ano ka, nak? Ganyan ka, nak? Hindi man malamig, nak.
Hangin ba?
Tama di ay. Sige na, bye-bye, nak. Nagbalon ka kuan? Food? Something? Ha? Water. Water. Ay, diyan ay water diyan na cold. Nasa gawas. True. Mas nindot ang cold na ano ako na. Di na cold yata na kayo. Di man cold today. Magbalong kag water. Diyan yung anak ko day. Nag-ready na sa kanyang e-bike niya, day. Mag-e-bike lang yan. Buti na lang maganda yung weather today, mga inday. Hindi siya malamig, day. Pwede lang ka. Sasabihan ko yung asawa ko mamaya, day, pupunta kami ng park. Igala namin si Bibi Kanu sa park. Kasi hindi pa talaga nakapunta si Bibi Kanu sa park, mga inday. Hindi pa talaga siya nakapunta, day. 1 year na kami dito sa Jumerica. Pero hindi. Ha? Nana? Banas yun. Sabi ng anak ko, day, isasama ko daw yung pangalawa kong anak, day. Isasama ko yung pangalawa kong anak, day, para makakita. I think nakakita na anak, oy. Nung first natin pumunta dito naman, di ba, ginala ta ni Paul, pero... okay. Okay. So, sasabihan, gusto ko sana mag-walking kanina, anak ba, pero I have no time. Kasi naglalaba ako. Ade, pasok na tayo sa loob, day. Pasok na tayo sa loob kasi kailangan... What, nak? Yes, mamaya. Isasarado ko yan mamaya. Punta tayo sa laundry day. O, yun nga, nakaandar yung water. Water pump water. Punta tayo dito sa baba. Pupunta na yung anak ko day. And then, i-close na natin yung door, mga inday. Nak, I will close the door na, nak. Amping, amping, love you. Bye-bye. Wala, i-close na natin yung pinto. Si Bibi Kano, titingnan natin kung kumusta na ba yung bata-batuta na yun. Kumakain ng lunch niya. Anan yan, dyan, kumakain pa din yung bata natin dahil. Kumakain pa yung bata natin. Hala dahil, malapit na niyang naubos dahil. Tingnan nyo. Yummy? Hindi na siya naggumagamit ng tinidor. Uy, kawawa naman. Very good man ang bataan na. Uy, super very good man na. Uy, water. Yung water dahil, bigyan natin ng tubig. Ito dahil. Water is here, oh. I think bibigyan pa natin day. Baka gusto pa ni Bibi Kano. I-open natin tong door. Ay, door window day. Para, you want more? Hala day. Nagustuhan ni Bibi Kano day yung ano day, pasta day. You want more? Want more, mama? Bibi, mama, baro, bi. Buih, hindi na siya ihatag ng panday eh. Eat more. Na. Lo. Eat. Uy, kawawa naman. Lo, ning kamot. Ning kamot ka ang pasta. Lo. Lo, bagong gising pa yan, day. Bagong gising yung bata-batuta natin. Hello. Mga inday, lalabas tayo mga inday. Lalabas tayo ng bahay. I'm gonna go out. You go there. Let's go, you play. Hello, Bibi Kano there. There is no papa there. Okay, go out. Dahil nasinagan din ng araw, day. Where you go? You stay here, bata. Agoy. Asher, not there, Asher. Shelton, not there. There is a car. Sige. La, ang bata na ngay ano din, may addiction sa labas. Kasi minsan lang ito makalabas na, tumatakbo pa siya, day. La, mahangin siya, day. Pero hindi siya malamig. Run. Run. Bata natin, day, nakalabas. Where you go? Asher. Manin mo padulong, day, eh. Naman ka. Lalabas na naman siya deh. Yung bataan niyo. Parang na-ignorante si Bibi Kano deh sa labas deh ba? It's so windy? We're so windy? So windy? Hello, windy. Windy. No, kiri-kiri. You just walk. You play there. Lakaw, you play. You know, mama is here. Hello. Ano na yung ang layo na Bibi Kano. It's windy? It's windy, bata? It's so windy. Yung bata natin, tumitingin pa sa hangin, day. Dumihangin sa mga ano, day, sa puno, day, sa mga dahon. Na. What? You play dear, lakaw. You play ba? Naunsa yung bataan ni. Nagpakarga mahinuon ba? Nagpakarga mahinuon ni day. Naunsa rin mo gawas. Oh, where you found it?
In the cave.
In the cave. Okay. Papa?
Hi.
Papa is here?
I road.
Yeah, I know. Lo, day, kalsada na dyan sa amin, day. Ang bata, day, papunta sa kalsada. Ay, sige. Wala na. You go, Papa, kao. You go back there. Papa. Papa. Ala, sobrang mahangin. Na. Sige. No. 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 Where you go? No. Ano, tumatakbo-takbo pa siya. Sinusundan niya yung papa niya, day. What are you doing, Papa? Oh, look. Look. Papa is there, oh. And hey, we go inside in the car. We go ride. Papa, gani we go ride. Ginoo ko kagahig ulo, day. Uy, ginoo ko ng bataan eh. Dali! Go ride, gani. Go ride ka. Day, mag-ride kami ng sasakyan, day ba ayaw? Okay. Day, i-off ko muna to, day, oh. Tanaw, tingnan, baby ka na, nandito na sa lupa, oh, nakahiga na. Mga inday, nandito na si Asher, day, sa wakas, day. Ay, ginoo ko, day. Kailangan kong mag-effort, day, na ikarga si Bibi Kano kasi ayaw niya talaga, mga inday. Yeah, it's too much wind. Tingnan nyo, mga inday. Sobrang mahangin. Kasi wala na. Wala. Car ride! Yay! Carmi, sasakyan
the
day.
IA.
So beautiful. It's so cool. I8? Yeah?
Yeah, it says IA.
Oh my.
So it's at least a hybrid.
That's nice. That's expensive car. Expensive car.
The aerodynamics isn't it? The air flows around the back,
Yeah.
pushes down and flows along the back, and then pushes down on the car to keep it on the road.
That's right. I
High
did not see
speeds.
that one. You know, the side. Whoa, that's so cool.
Yeah, you'd be surprised how much pressure that downforce that put on the
Oh
tires.
my god. That's a beautiful car. Beautiful car. Nice. Oh my god, there's a lot of sports car going out today. Whoa. Look lang. So fast. Jesus. But you need to be careful. Just one mistake. Bang. Bang bang. You're gonna die. Answer.
Asher, you want food?
Yay, food papa. Yeah, the ano lab, the last time that we ordered for Asher. Dai, nandito kami dai. We are ano dai.
The kids something.
Yeah, we are ano na crazy people na
What did we
dai.
get him?
We are crazy people dai. The what we call of that lab? The noodles something, noodles.
Oh, we got him mac and cheese.
Yeah, mac and
Did he even
cheese.
eat it?
Yeah, he eat that all. The mac and cheese. Dai, ano dai, crazy people mi dai. This is unexpected plan mga inday. Nandito kami sa restaurant dai. Kasi maganda talaga yung weather today dai. Supos, kagwapo naman ang bata. Sino? Ito na yung bata natin dai. Hala, super cute na bata. Sinong hindi mabibighani dyan? Hala. Oh! Kukunin na natin si Bibi Kano mga inday. Hala. Oh, Bibi Kano dahil nag-walking lang siya dahil. You hold papa, you hold. Hala. Nandito tayo sa ano dahil. Buffalo wings dahil.
Doing good,
Buffalo Wild Wings. Yeah, you done good, Ashir. Yung buhok natin.
Asher. Hold my hand.
That's right. Ano kasi day?
Come on.
Yay, he want to play the stones. Yay, maganda talaga yung weather today. Day, parang homeless talaga kami. Look my shirt. Look my ano, naka-slipper. Slipper. It's not small, look. It's not. My t-shirt? Ah, okay. Yung t-shirt ko pala dahil sa, akala ko yung short yung sabi ni, ano dahil, asawa ko dahil. Ala. Hala. Hala. Tumakbo si Bibi ka. Oh, shit. Tumakbo ka ng bata dahil. Tumakbo yung bata. Ba't ito? Hello, we are here again. Hello. Hello, bata. Yung bata, yung bata. Hello. Hello. We are here again. She's a bata, uy. Hello. 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 Nag-order yung jusawa ko dahil. Nag-order yung bata-batuta. Bata-batuta yung jusawa natin. Hello. Hello. We are here mga ati. shout. Dali. You talk to them. You explain where we are. Sige na. Explain na yun. We are here. Shilton. No ba? What? Yeah, that's right. Papa, no. Papa tickle you? Look. Papa tickle you? Yes. Hi. Shush.
You got beat again.
Tumatawa si Love. Look. Look.
Salamat.
Shouldn't be too much longer on that sampler. You want to throw in some more food, or do you still need a couple minutes?
We're gonna end up ordering your 30 on the boneless.
Okay.
So I guess we can put that in 30.
30.
Yeah.
It is buy one get one free on boneless today. So, but it is only 6 for 10. So if you got 10, you get 3. And then you can do 6 and get 12, so you have 32.
Yeah.
That work? It's just a better deal.
Wow.
Yeah. It is a better.
So we end up with 32, you said?
Yeah.
Can we sauce those 4 different ways?
Yeah. You can do it 6 different ways if you
Oh,
want.
really? Okay.
Whoa.
We're gonna go with Parmesan garlic.
Okay.
What else do we want?
Thank you, Shane.
Thank you.
We'll try the spicy garlic.
Okay.
Go with the Asian zing again, and something barbecue. Yeah, barbecue, honey barbecue.
Yeah, honey barbecue is good.
Yeah.
Sounds good. I'll grab you guys.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Well, it's time to eat, Asha. Ito yung order namin mga Inday. And then my
Yan, Asha.
fries. And then my ito. What we call it? This donut?
Mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese. You eat now. Hey.
Careful.
It's a little bit hot, Asher. Little bit hot. It's hot. Yummy.
Thank you.
Do you want any ranch blue cheese, celery, or carrots with the wings?
Mga
Baby
Inday,
burger.
so guwapo dayo. So bata pa ba na? Si Smiley. Smile dayin ba? I want that smile. You are crazy.
You're supposed to be filming the plate.
Hindi ko I have a handsome bana. Tingnan yung mga Inday, yung burger day. So cute. Super cute. You put there. Also, see? Ang liit ng
Little burgers.
burger, yeah. Super cute. Oh my God. Dahil wala akong make-up, wala akong lahat-lahat, dahil. Pero dahil pumunta kami dito. So let's see, let's try which one. Look, and I have
go,
ano,
Mama
pork
Luz.
love.
Yeah.
And I have that. Thank you. Oh. My love, it's
That's the Asian zing. It's got a little bite to it.
yeah, there is. Yummy though.
And you got plenty of ranch sauce.
Yummy. Tingnan niyo mga Inday, ang daming pagkain. Yung asawa ko, namang problema yung asawa
Not
ko dahil.
24 chickens, but it's close.
Yeah, that's right. Pero mayroon pa dyan dahil.
Well, it looks like Shanahan.
Yung bata natin. Kain tayo mga Inday.
the refs give up eventually.
To McCarty. Here's Lariano. Avalanche. Penguins in their own zone.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much. When Jason gets up,
Yes, everything was great. Thank you.
Peter Forsberg's at the swipe. And Igor Larionov. It's an off-end.
They just can't stay off each other. Look at this. Here comes the fish. Boom. Look at this as they pan the camera out. Wow. There's fights going on everywhere.
God.
They can't control them no more. It's out of control. Did you find someone to flirt with?
Are you feel shy? You feel shy, Asher? Asher. Si Asher daw. Si Asher daw. Parang na-shy siya daw. That is your crush? That is your crush, Asher? Parang ano siya daw. Na-shy siya kanina. I think
Is it for another?
full. My love, it's here, the exit. Did you pay already? It's here, the exit. Oh, I'm so full. Come here na. Come here. Ang bata de.
They just get nervous walking away with it.
Tara na. My love. Hoy, where you go? My love, it's here. Wala. Mga Inday, nandito na tayo sa sasakyan mga Inday. Yung bata natin, nangungulit yung bata natin, Day. Sobrang busog namin mga Inday. Sobrang busog talaga, Day. Medyo maginaw na siya, Day. But kapag nasa ano ka, Day, kapag nasa sa ano ka dito ka, hello, sa buwan. Uy, yung bata, Day. Oh, ala, sige. Ay, maganda dito, Day. La 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 la. Pasok na tayo, Day. Pasok na tayo. Pasok na tayo. I think it's not Manila. Pasok na tayo. Gusto ko sanang pumunta sa ano, Day, sa Plito Closet ba? Kasi ano lang, malapit lang dyan, walking lang talaga, Day. And then sabi ng asawa ko, next time na lang.
Fridays are your best days, though.
Sa Friday daw. So babalik kami sa
That's when they get new stock.
sa Friday. New stocks.
Yeah, that's right.
Hala ka. It sounds to be with you. It's a beautiful day to be with you. With you. With you.
We gotta get some straight jacket stuff.
Ay, gino ko nuno. I'm not lingling.
Yeah, you're a little ling-ling.
I'm not lingling gani. I'm just happy. It's a beautiful day. Oh, see, there's a sunlight.
Yeah. It's pretty.
Yeah. Like, if it is cloudy, like it's the, depressing weather. It is cloudy. And then a weather like this, you will be happy. That's right. It's so beautiful. Yay! Look guys, sobrang ganda ng weather namin today's video. For today's video, so beautiful weather in Michigan. Finally. Ay, so Masaya ako dahil basta ganito yung weather dahil wa na si Jamaica dahil na hyper me hyper me
No, pulling.
atay narinig niyo ba doon dahil kuling daw ko dahil sabi ng asawa ko dahil buang uy ginoo ko dahil masaya talaga ako dahil na ganito yung weather dahil ba kasi it's been a long time talaga dahil yung weather namin dahil winter palaging na may snow and then yun nga winter palaging may snow and then walang masyadong araw dahil puro lang snow malamig then today dahil
It was a BMW 6 Series.
at the back
Just passed us.
pass us okay ay nako it's thank you God for the good weather today thank you
Oh, when he turns his head, that's it.
that's right
Can't chase him around with the spoon and pukes.
that's right it's a beautiful day
Above your head. What is that package, Fuji?
yeah Koji my love sorry this is for Koji yung package dahil may package na dumating sorry you don't hala my love he's sleeping love natulog talaga si Asher dahil tingnan niyo yeah he's sleeping oh. tulog ang bata
Boy, look at your little fat face.
wala
It's so round.
tulog talaga yung bata batuta
So round
natin
over there.
Asher we are here na Asher na nakatulog yung ano dahil busog na bata tulog Asher we're home sis yung bata ani we're home yung bata
Asher.
Asher we're home na
Asher.
Asher let's go na Asher we're home hi bata dali na mama ay shush hello good afternoon bata kukunin ko na si baby ka na gising na let's go inside where you go cellphone let's go inside na ay nandito pala yung cellphone ko dahil package na anak ko dali natin let's go na bata come here let's go inside yung bata natin na naglisod ng agi dahil go inside the house here come here you go there slowly you know already how to go there hello sige go siya lang mag-isa day hello sige stand up come na mama yan na siya lang isa tayo nagkamang pa sige na you stand up na ay wani kamang naman yung bata day go inside yay you made it yay oh it's dirty baby mama will get out there you're dirty the other one wala you go na there it's not dirty anymore hello look we are home